Assalamualaikum Doctor. We are from Group 4. So today we will be discussing about the topic of approach to enhanced learning, and I will start first with my point. I think having a clear learning objective are super important if we want to learn better. For me, if I don't have a goal, I just waste my time trying to figure out what to do. Like when I'm studying, I always try to set a clear target, like finishing a certain topic or understanding a difficult concept. It helps me to stay focused and I don't get distracted easily. Without a clear direction, you just end up doing random stuff and not really learning anything properly. So I think having a clear goal is a strong foundation.
That's a good point, Mira. For me, I would say it's important to reflect on our learning experiences. After I do a assignment or test, I take a bit of time to think about what I did well or what I didn't. Like if I got a bad grade, I try to figure out why was it because I didn't understand the question or I didn't study enough. This helped me avoid making the same mistake in the future. Revision is also useful after group project. You learn a lot about your strengths and weaknesses. I believe it really helps us grow as a learner.
Nice one, Alia. I want to talk about exploring new learning methods. So I think this is a really helpful because sometimes traditional ways don't work for everyone. For example, I used only read textbooks and honestly it was boring. Then I started to watch YouTube videos and listening to podcasts. And also I use learning apps. I even try quizzes and games sometimes. It makes learning fun and easier to understand. I think everyone has a different learning style, and I believe so. Trying new methods help us figure out what works best for us.
Yeah, I totally get that, Arisa. I really think having a positive attitude is just as important. To me, mindset is everything. If I start thinking something is too hard, I immediately feel discouraged. But when I tell myself I can do this, even the hardest subject feel manageable. I've seen that when I stay positive and keep trying, I eventually improve. It also keeps me from giving up when I make mistakes. A positive attitude makes learning less stressful and more enjoyable.
Breakfast, everyone. I think seeking advice is really helpful too. Sometimes we get stuck and when it's time trying to figure things out on our own. I used to be afraid to ask questions, but now I ask my friends, teachers, or even check online forums. Just asking someone who understands better can save so much time and confusion. Study groups are great for this too. We learn from each other. I think learning isn't something we need to do alone, and asking for help is actually a smart move.
Okay, alright. Now we need to choose which approach to that we think is the most effective. I'm still standing by clear learning objective because it gives you direction and keeps you focused.
So
I
for
agree. I agree. Revision is important, but without goal, what are we even reflecting on?
so based on my opinion, I think I choose the same answer because even if I exploring a new method, I need to know what I want to achieve. Otherwise, it's just a trying a random stuff.
Yeah, a positive attitude helps when we're working towards something. And goals give us something too.
Totally, even when I ask for help, I ask better question if I know what my objective is.
So we all agreeing that clear learning objective is the best approach.
Yes, Ricky.
Yes,
Yes, we
Yes,
all
yes.
we
agree.
agree.
So this will be the end of our discussion. Thank you.